Hey, what's going on, world? It's your nutrition and wellness guy, me, Chef D, and I'm back with another Nutri tip. Today, it's all about the beets. I beat it up. I beat it up. I put the beets in my smoothies. I beat up the beets in my smoothie. Yeah. Listen, y'all being nasty. I'm really talking about I beat up the smoothies. I put the beet. Anywho, let's just get right into it. Now, for starters, beets get the worst rep, even worse than Brussels sprouts. But today I'm gonna serve as like the PR team for Beets Incorporated. I got you. Now, beets are loaded with vitamin C, which is an immune booster. Also iron, calcium, phosphorus, copper. Now, copper has been known to help with excess skin and to prevent wrinkles. And these little guys have manganese, which are good for kidney, pancreas, and liver health. And last but not least, these guys have vitamin B folate. Now, I can stop there, but I'm gonna keep going because I said I got your back. These guys are also loaded with nitrates that convert over into nitric oxide. This kind of relaxes and dilates blood vessels, turning them into superheroes that help with better blood circulation, transporting of nutrients, and getting blood to the brain a lot more effectively for, I say, better focus and cognition. Now, I could keep going, but I don't want to beat you over the head. Beat it. Yikes, beets. And there you have it, another healthy-ish health hack. And remember, health is wealth, and I'm just here to make sure you're getting paid. Until next time, yum on.